Welcome to our roundup of the best portable solar chargers available today. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing for emergencies, these solar chargers combine power, durability, and versatility to keep your devices charged anywhere under the sun. We'll break down each model's key specs, like charging capacity, solar efficiency, build quality, and special features, to help you find the ideal match for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and discover which solar charger truly shines the brightest. The first on the list is the Solupup Waterproof Outdoor Solar Charger. The Solupup Solar Charger is built for outdoor enthusiasts who value reliability, ruggedness, and high power output. With a 25,000 mAh capacity, it can charge a smartphone up to 6 times or a tablet twice on a full battery, making it a dependable companion for long trips. What truly makes it stand out is its high-efficiency solar panel array, which ensures fast energy absorption even on cloudy days. The panels convert sunlight at an impressive rate, keeping your gadgets powered throughout your adventures. Built to handle tough outdoor conditions, this charger comes with an IP67 waterproof rating and a shockproof rubber casing that protects it from drops, dust, and rain. It also includes a built-in LED flashlight with SOS mode, perfect for emergencies during camping or hiking. Overall, this solar charger offers outstanding durability, efficient energy conversion, and practical outdoor features, making it a reliable power solution for travelers and adventure seekers alike. Next up is the OnePlus 200,000 mAh solar charger. If you're looking for raw capacity and consistent performance, this model is a powerhouse. With a massive 200,000 mAh battery, it can recharge multiple devices for several days without running out of juice. Its 4 solar panels with advanced monocrystalline cells ensure quick recharging under sunlight, providing excellent backup power when you're off the grid. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a sturdy ABS body with reinforced corners to withstand rough handling. Another standout feature is its smart adaptive charging system, which automatically detects connected devices and adjusts output for maximum efficiency. It supports USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs, allowing it to charge smartphones, laptops, and even small appliances simultaneously. Overall, the OnePlus 200,000 mAh model is a heavy-duty, high-capacity solar charger that delivers reliability and fast charging for users who need extended off-grid power. Next, we have the Alpower's flexible solar phone charger. Designed for portability and efficiency, this solar charger stands out with its ultra-flexible and lightweight solar panel design. It's perfect for backpackers and travelers who want a compact power source that doesn't add bulk. The high-efficiency ETFE-coated solar cells offer excellent sunlight absorption and durability, resisting water, dust, and scratches. Despite its slim profile, the Alpower's charger provides a strong 21-watt output, capable of charging 2 devices simultaneously through its smart dual USB ports. What's even more impressive is its foldable structure, allowing users to easily attach it to backpacks, tents, or RVs for convenient charging on the move. Built-in safety systems protect against overvoltage and overheating, ensuring a stable power flow to sensitive electronics. Overall, the Alpower's charger is perfect for users who prioritize lightweight design, fast solar charging, and versatility on the go. Next, we have the OnePlus 50,000 mAh solar charger. This mid-range solar charger offers a fantastic blend of capacity, efficiency, and compact design. With a 50,000 mAh battery, it provides multiple charges for smartphones and tablets, making it perfect for daily travel or camping trips. Its solar panel features high-grade polycrystalline cells that quickly capture sunlight and convert it efficiently into usable energy. The device supports triple output ports, 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C, so you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. It also supports fast-charging technology, reducing charging time by nearly half compared to conventional models. The exterior design is sleek yet durable, featuring a textured anti-slip surface and protective bumpers to prevent damage from drops. Overall, the OnePlus 50,000 mAh solar charger delivers dependable mid-level capacity, fast charging performance, and a travel-friendly design, an excellent option for both outdoor and everyday use. The last one on our list is the Xiaomi 20,000 mAh solar charger. This sleek and efficient charger combines minimalist design with advanced solar technology, intelligent power management, and premium build quality. With a 20,000 mAh capacity, it's capable of charging most smartphones up to 5 times on a single charge. Its monocrystalline solar cells achieve impressive sunlight conversion efficiency, ensuring stable energy generation, even in partial shade. The charger includes both USB-A and USB-C ports with intelligent adaptive charging, automatically adjusting output to match your device's needs. It also supports fast recharging via Type-C input, so you can quickly restore power when sunlight is limited. Overall, the Xiaomi solar charger delivers a polished mix of efficiency, style, and dependable performance. Ideal for tech-savvy users seeking a balance between portability and power. So that wraps up our list of the best portable solar chargers available right now. If this video helped you find the perfect solar charger, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product roundups like this one. All product links are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay powered up wherever you go.